Hi beautiful peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to like and subscribe for other awesome content coming your way. All right, so guys, right here I have some frozen fruit and I'm gonna make some frozen dessert. I'm gonna do two now, and then in another video I'll do like more. All right, so I'm gonna make some sorbet. All right, frozen fruit. Yes. All right, you can go ahead and you can add some sugar in a pot with some water, and you can make that come to a boil, and you can let it cool, and you can add it with this when you're gonna blend it. But I'm gonna make it the easier way, guys. I'm just gonna add some honey. Yeah, honey is better than sugar. All right, so let's get into the video. You need a blender that works really well, powerful. But over here, guys, no worry, if you have a food processor, this is the ideal thing. All right, guys, so I'm gonna add some frozen raspberries. And then I'm gonna do about, say, 2 cups of frozen strawberries. I'm not gonna use all of this, guys. I'm gonna add a squeeze of lemon juice. You can add lime juice, not too much, maybe about a teaspoon. And now, guys, I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of honey. We're just gonna cover this bad boy, and now we're gonna press this one. What you want to do, guys, when it's like this, you take a spoon or a spatula and you just want to put it down in it. All right, because you don't want to add any water, because we want the frozen thing. Yeah. And you're going to continue like that, guys, until you get it puree. All right, guys, look at that goodness. Can you see that? Can you see the goodness, guys? Wow. Yes. All right, what you want to do, you want to take this part out. Ooh, drop down. And then you want to scoop it out in a bowl, or you can serve it right from this. It's up to you. So look at the goodness. And you can serve this as is right away. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set it in the fridge until I make the next one, and then I serve up both. So we're on to the second dessert. All right, this frozen fruit, yummy and delicious. And this sorbet, guys, I'm gonna add some ginger in it. All right, this is the instant ginger. You can use the ginger like a tablespoon of the liquid. And guys, this one is a yummy pineapple and banana, and I'm gonna add some honey as well. All right, so we're gonna get straight into it. And it's about 1 banana. You need a finger of frozen banana, and this is about 1.5 cups, or maybe 2 of pineapple. Look, maybe about 2 cups. You can make more or less. All right, and I'm gonna add about 1/2 pack of this ginger, or you want a good tablespoon. That will do, just a tablespoon. And I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of honey. Guys, remember to put the middle in. All right, so I put the middle piece in and then we're gonna close it. All right, and look at that goodness, guys. So you see the goodness, and we want to take out this part. Wow. we're gonna scoop out this just the same. Wow, look at that, guys. Let me taste this for you guys. Oh my god. Woo, the pineapple and the ginger, guys. Guys, you can go ahead and you can serve this up as is. I'm just gonna put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna serve it up with the next one, and I'll be right back. This is it. This is the goodness, guys, after I serve it up. Yes, and I went outside and I picked some fresh mint. And this is the other one. I'm gonna place it right here. There you have it, guys. Yes, my 2 flavored frozen dessert, my delicious sorbet. Yes, all natural fruits. Yes, guys, look at that. Good for summertime, good for the kids. Yes. And that's it, guys. You can also keep it in the freezer for a long time, and then you can serve it up after, guys. It doesn't matter, or you can serve it right away. All right, this is good for the warm weather, sitting out back on the patio, on your balcony, relaxing. Yes. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day.